Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we're going to talk about the My Easy Tron Bot update. That's right, these guys have been doing updates and now they come with another one. So I'm going to go over it for you today. So please stay tuned. This is how you can earn up to 1.5% daily crypto, that is, which turns into money. So it's still possible, but once again, whenever I'm talking about crypto, it's high risk, high rewards, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. Stop struggling now, gear. Check, and please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. And please share the videos because you never know who you're going to be able to help. And smash that like button, as I've mentioned before, because again, we need as many that know about SSN Nation as possible and let the YouTube guys know that we have someone in the house. But before I get into that, notice there's our members, and that means these are people that actually join the channel, not just subscribe, but join as members of the channel. They receive special messages under the community tab, and they can join me on any live stream and discuss any topic that they would want. And they receive 1 or 2 videos per month specifically for them. Now, let's get into something else and the reason why you need to earn extra streams of revenue, because a lot of people may be in the stock market. A lot of people's 401ks, their pension funds and things like that could be tied up into the stock market. Well, look here, ladies and gentlemen. I just had to show you this before I give you the My Easy Tron Bot update, because when we start talking about crypto, which is high risk, high rewards, we also talk about safe, which are bonds at this point, and we talk about dividend stocks. But here's the stock market, another down day. All these are getting low now, ladies and gentlemen, and it's about to get even lower. I know I'm the first one. Eric Says. I'm coming out with a new series, by the way. It's going to be right here. It won't be a separate channel. And it's going to talk about, I've been saying that this has been the 1929 stock market now all year long. But people keep saying no way, no how. But here we go. Once again, it starts off another down, and I'm expecting there's going to be some volatility and things are going to go up for a few days to make everybody forget about the downs. So just keep all that in mind, and that's why you need these extra streams of revenue. Now, today, I'm not going into My Easy Tron Bot, because when I'm going to explain the new terms that they came up with, they're different than what we had before. So now you'll learn about Easy Tron Bot. I will have a link down below, but just remember, this is high risk, high reward, so therefore you should only put in what you can afford to lose. This is in the Latin community, so I had to transfer the Spanish into English. But now, if you're bilingual and you understand Spanish, then therefore you can already read it well before I do. So this is METB. This is My Easy Tron Bot Community. This is from corporate. In response to your request to know the current status of the company, El Corporativo informs that we carried out an audit on it, and the results are as follows. Due to abuse by some community members taking advantage of a bug in the overpaying system. All right, see, that's, again, they're saying there was a bug and people were taking advantage. All right, we'll see where this leads. The calculation of the available of the system for the payment to its users is much smaller. That's not a good thing, because the one up to 1.5%, you receive that every day, Monday through Friday. You don't receive it on Saturday and Sunday on the weekends, but every Monday through Friday, you get up to 1.5% of whatever you put in. All right. So now That is a problem when they say all of a sudden we don't have enough money to pay everybody. I'm like, okay, this isn't good news, okay, as far as I'm concerned. And here it is, for payment to its users is much smaller. Now, however, thanks to the fact that we have a holding fund and trading, no member of the community is at risk of losing their invested capital. Okay, well, now that sounds good, but again, we have no way to verify it. So I'm playing both ends, because remember, some of us here have money tied up in this. So I have to look at it for what it is. I don't like somebody telling me this. All right. So this will take time. Okay. That is why we are faced with the need to give priority with payments to those members who have not yet recovered their investment. Well, I would imagine that's everybody who put money in, because it takes 134 business days, which is 6 months, to recover your full investment. So whoever's been in less than 6 months hasn't recovered their full investment. And they probably reinvested it. So therefore, there's still no recovery, because you can reinvest with this program, ladies and gentlemen. And so it's locked. Any money that you put into METB, it's locked. I will still have a link down below if you want to take this high risk, but you have to know what you're getting into. The possibility of you not possibly getting your money out is high. All right. Yes, it looks nice when you put money in and you're earning $100 a day, $200 a day, $300 a day. But that means there's thousands of dollars that is locked up that you can't just withdraw. All right. So you can only withdraw the interest that they give you, as long as it's $50 or more. We'll get into that a little bit later. All right. Now, we will gradually make payments according to the results of the trading, which is what they were doing anyhow, allegedly, and returns in the market. To this will be added the profits from the movement of the BGKC. Now, BGKC, which was brilliant, they came up with the coin. So that's their token coin, to which we must, as a strategy, encourage its purchase. Of course, you have to encourage its purchase, because that would create a treasury of some sort. So that's how crypto works. We will also add a minimum 5% of the profits in the new system. Now, you may not understand what that is. So when you withdraw $50 minimum, they used to take out 20%. So it seems like, what I mean, not take out, it's not a fee. They used to, I'll give it an example. If you withdrew $100, they would keep 20% and reinvest it for you, and 1% would go into the customer service department. All right, so this is a change right here. We will also add minimum of 5% of the profits in the new system. I don't know what that means yet, but let's keep reading. The need for this new compensation plan is to have a healthier project that lasts over time, whose payments will be recurring and completely normal. Based on proposals made and compiled by the Mega Council, formed by great METB leaders, this new plan emerged, which consists of the following. All right, here's what happens. The top 20 people consist of a Mega Council. And the Mega Council, unfortunately, the wealthiest of them all, just like in America, when I won't get into some other political stuff. Just like in America, the wealthiest are dictating what other people can generally do. So laws are written because of the wealthiest. They know the senators. They're actually to pay for their campaigns. They're actually able to hire people and go in and talk with these senators and then get them to put up bills that helps them. So nobody's helping us. So once again, they have a mega council. I don't like having a mega council. I'd rather have the company have their open meetings so everybody can be in on it, not just the top, I believe, 20 people. That's not enough when you have potentially 80,000 people and you have 20 people who are the ones that make the most money. How are they looking out for us? When they're making $1,000 per day that they're able to take out, or rather 20% off of that is 800. 800 a day you're able to take out. You see what I'm saying? That changes things. 20 days a month, 22 days a month, they can take out 800 because it's capped at 1,000. Now, let's get into the new plan. New plan for Fund METB Official. Viewed by the website. Okay, it's not on the website yet. MyEasyTronBot.com is the website. If you want to join this, you're going to have to, you can join on the website. Please use the link down below. I'll leave it. All right, but just remember, things are changing. Here we go. Minimum deposit is $50 now. It used to be $5. It is now $50. Now, that's still not outrageous, but $50 you do have to put in. Minimum withdrawal stays the same. It's still $50. And they're still saying daily up to 1.5%, depending on daily trading. That's what it was supposed to always be. Now, this is what the difference is. Withdrawal fee, 5%, automatic. So apparently there is now a 5% fee, all right? And then they're saying reinvestment of 15%. So instead of the reinvestment being 20% before, and then they would take 1% as a fee, now they've upped it to 5% as a fee, and reinvestment is 15%. So if you're up to $100 a day, it's still 20%, but 5% is going to go into the coffers of METB. $15 is going to be reinvested. Then that means $80 is coming to you. It's that simple. So the 20% is still the same. They're just dividing that a little different. So, okay, people, I believe, will be able to live with that. Weekly withdrawal before 72 hours. Now, I don't know what that means. Maybe somebody will comment down below, and maybe they know what that means. Because I don't know what weekly withdrawal before 72 hours means. Because you can withdraw anytime. So there you have it. I don't know. We'll figure it out later. Maybe there'll be comments down below, and we'll get it. All right. Commission, 72-hour commission for investment. Okay. Weekly withdrawal before 72-hour commission for investment. It seems, okay, now I understand. This could mean where we're going to next is these levels. So I have a link down below. Everybody who signs up for my Easy Tron Bot has a referral link. So they have levels now. They shrunk the levels. It used to be 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now they only have 4 levels instead of 5. So it's now 4%, and I believe that's what they're referring to. But we'll figure it out. Maybe it's not, maybe it is. But the way I'm reading this, that means if somebody signed up and put in $100, you're going to have 4%. So $4 as part of an investment. And they're saying you can withdraw that after 72 hours, I believe. But again, that's a gray area as far as I'm concerned. But here is the main thing. Anybody that uses your referral link, you get 4% of whatever they deposit. And it's ongoing. So if somebody puts in $50 and then they say, hey, I like this, and then put in $100, you will get 4% on the $100 as well as the 50. And then if that person signs up someone, then you get 3% of whatever they deposit. All right. All of that is held as far as I know. Even though I explained that commission part, I still don't know what that really means. But I'll have a comment section down below so somebody can help me out. But basically, how it has worked in the past, when somebody makes a deposit, that money is also locked. So in other words, you earn up to 1.5% once a month, something like that. So again, this is a separate bucket, just so you understand. Rank bonuses available. Now, rank bonuses is when, I don't know the actual numbers, but I'll just give an example. You can learn about it when you go to myeasytronbot.com page. After you click the link down below and it takes you there, you can read on it and make sure you sign up. First things first, get your Telegram app all together, okay? You want to get it on your phone, but they're claiming that they're going to go to the website. So it's very hard for me to say what to sign up for. I think everybody should sign up. Maybe if you can sign up for both, that would be the best way to do it. I just don't know how to do it. And people can't explain it because they've been doing updates on the website and the app, and they're saying it didn't work. So everybody's been signing up under the Telegram app. So go and get Telegram, all right? And I'll have information down below on what you should do. You go to Telegram and make sure it's on your phone, and that's what you should use to sign up right now. All right? Or you can try to sign up with the website because some people have. But again, I'm just saying rank bonuses means if your group, so to speak, remember when we were talking about these levels? Or if you sign up and generate thousands of dollars, I don't know what the breakdown, I believe 50,000 is the first, they give you like an extra bonus of $500. All right. So all I'm saying is they have these rank bonuses, but again, it's based on the volume. Next up is $100,000, and they give you like $1,000 bonus. That's the rank bonuses that they're referring to. Everybody in your group. So if somebody deposited 5,000, another person reinvested 5,000, another person deposited 20,000, and another person deposited 30,000, then you would have a rank bonus of some sort, because altogether combined it's $50,000, and then they send you a check for the rank bonuses. You can find out more when you go to the website. All right. Now, the 134 days generally is 200%. So once you generate up to 200% on your investment, your referral commissions add up to 200% available for withdrawal. All right. So what happens in the past, you get that 134 business days comes up, and all of a sudden you have 200% of your investment back. Then they give you simple interest up to 1.5%. That's generally how it went. All right. That wouldn't be available for reinvestment portions. But still, once you keep doing it and keep it there, it's still going to generate that. It's just that you can't compound it, which is still fine because you have all that money in the system. It makes it kind of cool. All right. We count on your cooperation, and you can count on ours, since my Tron Bot would never leave the community helpless. Admin, my Tron Bot. So what I'm going to do right now is go to my Tron Bot so you would see it, so you'll know what it looks like. Oh, hold on a second. I'm going to have to go here direct. Let's go to myEasyTronBot.com. All right. And you'll notice, so you'll get an idea that this is the screen you want to see, right? myEasyTronBot.com. And then notice I'm on the laptop, but notice if you're on your desktop, this is what you would see. And here's the Android, here's the Apple. All right. So just keep that in mind. But again, you can sign up, try to sign up here if you want, or you can sign up on the Telegram app. So whichever one you feel comfortable with. But again, they were updating the website apparently. I don't know if it's been updated yet. And then the other thing is you can sign up and make sure you use the link down below. And we have a video from Melody Bonita, Miss 27 Streams of Income. And so you can be walked through on the video. But remember, the video is an older video. It doesn't have this new information that I just gave you. All right. So keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions, please ask them down below. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. And that's why we have to talk about the extra streams of revenue. And that's what we're doing. Passive income 2022 if you can get it, but it's high risk, high rewards in some instances. Other things are low risk, low rewards, like dividend stocks, for instance. So just giving you an idea. Or keeping your money in a bank, generally safe too, but you're only going to earn 0.03% or something. So keep all of that in mind on your endeavors for what you're going to have to do over the next year. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.